Hello to you. Okay, today I'm going to make a pair of jeans or denim pants for Stacie. I'm going to use the same pattern that I used for her ski pants that I made. I will put the eye tag here in the corner so you can see how I designed the pattern for the leggings or ski pants. Now I'm going to use on the denims as well now. I'm not going to worry about hemming the denims on top or by the feet here. For the top here, I'm going to try and see if this adhesive, fabric adhesive will help just to, so it don't fray then. And then I'm going to make the markings on the denims with this, I've got this metallic gold Koki pen. You can use a Sharpie obviously as well. To make the markings for the pockets and the zip and all that stuff, like the on a normal jean. And then I'm going to use a nail file to distress the denims with that. So and I make the markings here because I'm going to make it a little bit shorter than the ski pants. The ski pants is top, but I want to let it sit more on a hip, so I'm going to make it shorter on that side here. And then just remember, denim doesn't stretch. Yeah, use stretchy denim please. And then that doesn't stretch so much as t-shirt material. So on the sides I'm going to make it a bit wider just to give it more movement, or make it obviously just a little bit bigger. So yeah, then let's get started.